I played a game where you can cook pizzas or you can hurt the people that you're serving them to. Anyways, let's get to the game. Alright, who's our first customer? Dr. Phil! Alright, what pizza do you want? Alright, we start off with some pizza dough. I don't know what to do from here. Wait. Oh, this is what I'm supposed to use. Just beat it up with that. Man, shut up, Dr. Phil. Oh, I can actually hit you in this game. Oh, I'm gonna have so much fun. Nah. We'll test that out later. Okay, you want pizza sauce. That's moldy. You want this type. Okay. I think that's right. Honestly, I think I'm making a pretty good pizza. That's moldy. Why is everything so moldy? Trash. Okay, now this knife is useful. I think you want pepperonis? I think this is supposed to be pepperonis. I'm like a lot of pepperonis person, or no? Okay. What else do you need? Pineapple. You like I think pineapple belongs on pizza. That's just me. Don't unsubscribe if you see. Okay. I guess I put pineapple on it. These things are big though, so we're only gonna put. I think that's it. Just put it in the oven. There we go. I don't know how long I'm supposed to let it cook though. Let's just wait until it gets to the middle. So how's it going, Dr. Phil? Like, will I generally just knock him over with this knife, or would I kill him? Okay, I think this is perfect. That was good! I don't know what that guy's on about. I'm not gonna lie, I think it's time to test. Oh, it doesn't even hurt them, so I could... Woo! So I can just hurt you and you won't die? This is gonna be fun. Yeah. This is so fun. Bam! Bam! Oh! Wait. Oh my god, I just killed him. I just killed the guy. Oh, you're alive! Oh, hey, if you see your brother, oh, you're twin. You're his twin brother, huh? Oh, yeah. No, he's not dead. He's just sleeping. Die! Oh. No witnesses. Oh, hello. I think that's what. I think it's Keisha. Is it Keisha? Hi, Keisha. Hey, you want green sauce? What makes green sauce? Olives? Okay. Hey. You didn't see anything. Hey, got that? Okay, make your pizza. I'm not just here to torture people. I have to make people's pizza. What do you want? You want green sauce. I think I blended it up. I think that's how you make the sauce. I don't know what I did wrong with that last order. It looked beautiful. Go. I think that's what it's supposed to look like. Mushrooms. Okay. I think we're ready for the thing. Get out of that car. I want to trash that car. Okay. I'm gonna let it keep cooking. Oh, okay, that's not good.
Awful.
It's awful? Tommy. That's my manager. Oh no. Perfect. Done making your pizza. Yeah, you want cheese? Oh, okay. I got cheese for you. Just gonna cut it over here. Just gonna, cut it over here. Okay. Cockroach. Moldy? I love it. Put it on there. Yeah, would you like moldy mushroom sauce? I'm sure you would. Oh, ooh. Okay. Your pizza will be ready in about 5 minutes. Okay, there we go. Here's your pizza. Oh, ooh. And I'm fired.